Listen carefully to the dialogues and identify what is happening. What kitchen items were mentioned? Dialogue 1.
I can't find any spoons. I'm trying to eat my soup and there isn't a single spoon in the drawer.
Did you check the sink? Maybe they're dirty.
I already checked. There aren't any spoons in the sink.
What about the dishwasher?
Oh, good idea. Let me see. Nope, it's empty.
Check the drying rack.
Oh, here they are. There are 3 spoons here. Thanks for the help.
Dialogue 2.
Hey, Jake, have you seen the can opener?
I think it's in the drawer next to the stove.
I checked there, but I couldn't find it.
Oh, wait. I used it yesterday and left it on the counter.
There it is. Thanks.
No problem. What are you making?
I'm making soup, and I need to open these cans.
Sounds good. Let me know if you need any help.
Dialogue 3.
The microwave isn't working.
Really? What happened?
I pressed the start button, but nothing happened.
Is it plugged in?
Let me check. Oh, it isn't.
That would explain it.
I unplugged it yesterday to clean behind it.
Try it now.
It's working again.
Dialogue 4.
How do you use this coffee maker?
First, fill the water tank.
How much water should I add?
About 4 cups. Then place a coffee filter in the basket.
Okay, what next?
Add 2 scoops of ground coffee.
Done.
Now close the lid and press the start button.
That's it?
Yeah, in a few minutes, you'll have fresh coffee.
Dialogue 5.
We're running late.
I know. I'm just packing my lunch.
I'll make some coffee.
Great. Could you also take the yogurt out of the refrigerator?
Sure. Do you want a bowl and a spoon?
Yes, please.
The coffee is almost ready.
Perfect. Let's eat quickly and hurry up.
Oh no, we only have 15 minutes left.
Dialogue 6.
This kitchen is so messy.
I know. We need to organize these cabinets.
Where should we put the mugs and cups?
Let's place them on the top shelf.
And what about the pots and pans?
You can put them in the cabinet next to the oven.
I found 3 aprons in this drawer.
We only need 1. Let's keep the best one.
All right, the kitchen already looks much better.